Welcome back, everyone, to the second episode of the work we started. Working on this branch to apply the colors and the shades. So now, as you've seen, we've done um, quite a bit so far. We have already applied some basic tones, and I've also had some shadows, and started to form the lines and the shape. For this episode, we're going to be strengthening the shadows and improving the highlights and to add a bit more definition to the piece. And as you can see now, we're going to start adding a bit of a raw umber, sort of Indian red, diluted Indian red. That this is Winsor Newton's Indian red, diluted, mixed with a little bit of burnt sienna. Um, yeah, that should be enough to start adding a bit of shadows to the branches. And like joints like here, yes, going to get shadows in these areas. Already, so we have some shadows, we just continue building up the shadows in these areas. Just keep everything even and nicely spread. And also, I try to keep the brush at reasonably dry. That improves the drying time. And with better drying time, you could move much faster. You could start reworking areas that you've worked on 5 minutes ago. So that's pretty good. And adding a shadow here, it's good. Some lines in, and shadow, shadow. Yeah, shadow. Spread it out nice and even, keep it soft. For those branches in the back, we can make them a little bit darker because they don't need to be that bright. They're going to be covered with the shadows cast by the large branches above. Borrow a little bit of color from there and spread it into the areas that are fresh. Just delicate building. Just delicate building, building delicately, layer by layer, and pulling up. Yeah. There's also, it's a little bit of a meditation, really. Just build it up nice and slow. A little bit mindful, about what's happening around you. And sometimes I listen to a bit of music in the background. You can see that I'm trying to follow the shape and contour of the branch. I'll just keep applying. Just following the natural rhythm of the subject. Wash in a bit of highlight here, nice yellow, mix a little bit of yellow, lemon yellow into the mix and wash it in. Just cleaning the brushes. Now, as you can see, if you look at it, it's coming on quite nicely. And I'm going to start blocking in some lemon yellow into these areas just to enrich the what is supposed to be the grassy background layers. So watch a little bit of lemon yellow. This is Winsor Newton lemon yellow. Keep it nice and thin. Wash it all into the areas. Maybe I need a stronger line here just to really establish the outline of that branch. So just follow the contours a little bit. That should be good to enhance the cylindrical shape of the branch. Yeah, there are also a few more lines here, sort of spiraling out from the center. Also having a little bit of a foreshortening going on here. Yeah, we're coming up to our 10 minutes mark now. I think you get the idea that we're building layers up and we're applying various delicate layers of colors just to balance the piece out. But you can see that it's really coming together now. It's starting to look and feel like a complete composition. However, there's still a few missing things. We still need to strengthen the shadows and to possibly enhance the outlines and to create the perspective, the depth. Sorry, the depth. We need a bit more depth to sort of push some of the branches away from the foreground to create that dimension, I'd say. But I think we'll have to jump off this and catch that and complete that in the next episode, where we should start looking into applying some finishing touches. Should be good. Um, they've come. It's been good so far. It's been great fun. Good fun. Um, catch you later. See you in the next episode.